A single agent can become overloaded with tools and instructions. Multi-agent systems improve reliability by dividing work among focused specialists.
As one agent accumulates responsibilities, prompts become harder to follow, decisions become inconsistent, and overall performance begins to decline. Instead of one generalist, build several focused agents, each responsible for a single task while coordinating toward the same objective.
Each specialist is simply a normal LangGraph agent, configured with only the tools and instructions needed for its specific responsibility.
A supervisor coordinates the workflow by selecting which specialist should work next, based on the current conversation and intermediate results.
The supervisor combines multiple specialized agents into one workflow, then compiles everything into a single runnable LangGraph application. Rather than solving everything itself, the supervisor transfers control between specialists and decides the next step after every completed task.
The supervisor first gathers information through the researcher, then passes those findings to the writer before returning the completed response.
Despite multiple agents working together, the finished application is invoked exactly like any other compiled LangGraph workflow you've already built.
Smaller specialists are easier to improve, test, and maintain, while complex applications grow naturally by adding new focused agents.
Under the hood, multi-agent systems are ordinary LangGraph state graphs, where complete agents simply replace individual processing functions.
Use one agent for straightforward workflows. Split into multiple agents only when responsibilities become genuinely different and difficult to manage together.
You've learned how agents collaborate. Next, we'll explore evaluation techniques that measure whether your AI applications are actually performing well.